Sa patuloy na pagdiriwang ng Filipino Heritage Month, isang paaralan sa Toronto ang nagsagawa ng kauna-unahang Adobo Festival na layong kumalap ng pondo para sa Proudly Pinoy Scholarship ng School Board. May report si Paula Saraza.
Are you excited for the adobo?
Yes! Yeah!
Is that your favorite?
Yeah!
What's your favorite? Is it chicken adobo or pork adobo?
I like chicken. I like chicken.
Pork adobo, adobong manok, adobong may itlog at adobong may patatas. 8 adobo recipe ang pinatikim sa mga pamilya at estudyante ng St. Margaret Catholic School nitong Martes para sa kauna-unahang Adobo Fest, isang fundraising event para sa Proudly Pinoy Scholarship ng Toronto Catholic District School Board.
Adobo, as you know, is a very popular dish. So we sent a simple email who would like to donate adobo, and we had tons of responses, and their trays of adobo are coming in as we speak, just trays. And so how generous this community is. So aside from celebrating the rich food and the rich culture this evening, we decided to pair it with the scholarship bursary.
Ang pagtutunggali para sa pinakamasarap na adobo, napili raw gawin sa paaralang ito kung saan 80% ng mga estudyante Pinoy o may lahing Pilipino.
We'd love to see our students as teachers. We'd love to see them in education. They have the qualities of an excellent teacher in terms of their compassion and how caring they are and how hardworking and how they live the gospel values.
$5,000 para sa 2 napiling mag-aaralang hatid ng Proudly Pinoy Scholarship na susuporta sa kanilang post-secondary education kung saan pagtuturo ang kukuning programa.
One of the things that we always wanted was to have representation among teachers of Filipino heritage because we have a very high percentage, 30% of our student population are of Filipino heritage. But we don't have enough representation. So we really want to encourage our students to consider taking up education as a career.
Bukod sa fundraising event, naging pagkakataon din para sa komunidad na ipagdiwang ang kultura, lalo ngayong Filipino Heritage Month.
Adobo Fest is part of Filipino Heritage Month, and we're just trying to get everyone together and enjoy Filipino culture, you know. And we're wearing my barong today, and my wife as well.
Everyone is encouraged to really display their identity through their clothing, to the traditional Filipino costumes and clothing, and really to be so proud of being a Filipino.
Ito na raw ang huling proyekto ng school board ngayong Filipino Heritage Month, pero patuloy pa rin ang paghahanda para sa iba pang fundraising events para makakalap ng pondo para sa Proudly Pinoy Scholarship. Paula Saraza, Omni News, Toronto.